You're gonna love the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a surprisingly affordable Santa Fe that delivers family-friendly comfort and security, as well as agile handling and an array of desirable amenities. It's perfectly practical and practically perfect in every way. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, heated front seat, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, alarm, rear spoiler. Give your family the quality they deserve in this upscale Santa Fe. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.